ATAS versus deep charts, order flow platforms. Choosing the right order flow platform can transform how you analyze market data without missing crucial trade signals. Both ATAS and deep charts offer powerful tools with unique approaches. ATS and deep charts are advanced order flow platforms designed for traders seeking deeper market insights. The core difference lies in their interface and data visualization style, with ATAS focusing on heat maps and volume clusters, while deep charts emphasizes detailed footprint charts. ATAS is a comprehensive order flow platform that provides traders with real-time market volume analysis through heat maps, volume profiles, and cluster charts. It works by aggregating tick data to display where significant buying and selling activity occurs, helping traders identify support and resistance zones. Strengths include its intuitive heat map visualization, customizable indicators, and integrated trading tools that streamline decision-making. ATAS supports various exchanges and futures contracts, making it versatile for different markets. However, it requires a learning curve for beginners due to its detailed data presentation and can be resource-intensive on some systems. Ideal users are active futures traders and scalpers who rely heavily on volume and order flow to anticipate price movements and want a visually rich, data-dense platform. Deep Charts delivers an advanced order flow experience centered around detailed footprint charts that break down market transactions by price and volume. It provides layered insights into bid and ask activity, delta and trade prints, allowing traders to assess market sentiment precisely. The platform excels in clarity and depth of data, offering customizable chart types and real-time updates across multiple asset classes. Strengths include its clean interface, powerful filtering options, and focus on granular trade data, which appeals to traders who prioritize precision. Limitations include less emphasis on heat map visualizations and a smaller community compared to some competitors. Deep Charts is best suited for professional traders and those who prefer a methodical, data-driven approach to order flow analysis, focusing on reading the tape and footprint charts for high probability setups. Comparing ATAS and Deep Charts reveals distinct approaches to order flow analysis. ATAS's heat map and cluster visualizations provide quick visual cues on volume concentration, ideal for traders who want fast interpretation of market activity. Deep Charts, with its detailed footprint charts, offers a more granular view of bid-ask dynamics and trade prints, appealing to traders who focus on microstructure and tape reading. While ATAS is feature-rich and supports a wide range of markets, it can be overwhelming for newcomers. Deep Charts offers a cleaner interface but may lack some of the visual tools that help in quick decision-making. Choosing between them depends on your trading style, whether you prefer visual volume patterns or detailed footprint data and your comfort with complex data analysis. ATAS is recommended for traders seeking rich visual volume insights and integrated tools, especially active futures traders who benefit from heat map-based order flow analysis. Deep Charts suits traders focused on detailed footprint and bid-ask data for precise market reading. If your strategy demands granular trade analysis and a clean interface, Deep Charts delivers a powerful platform to elevate your order flow trading. Choose based on your data preference and trading style.